program in some form or another. In other words, have heard the buzz, heard this is a good thing. Or it is people who have got a program that works with a particular piece of scientific equipment or a particular program that have said that it's extendable with Python. And so essentially, it's people who want to be able to read and modify other people's Python. There are a few catch points when people learn Python. So in terms of reliable things I've found, the first thing you really have to get across is these are variables. And the traditional model is boxes. And boxes works great. It's something in a box. When you see it later, you're referring to a box, whatever is inside the box. Arrays, it's a line of boxes. But where people invariably get stuck is Python, like most languages, arrays count from 0. So the thing to get across is it's how far from the start is this thing. That's the way to explain it. Dictionaries are great. They're boxes with labels on them. That's an easy one to get across. You can either see what's the label on the box, or you can look inside the box based on the label. Then you can start introducing methods, things like that. Now, when it comes to methods, probably everyone here is familiar with object.method brackets arguments. A very good metaphor for explaining that is, hey, you do this with this. And different kinds of things understand different hey, you messages. That works very well. Now, there may be a few furrowed brows in the audience who go, wait a moment, this isn't true in all cases. But that doesn't actually matter very much. Fifth form, 15-year-old chemistry, atom, electrons. Everyone remember that? You know, it's wrong. Doesn't matter. Works well enough. If you went a bit further in chemistry, S&P shells. Remember that? Few people. It's also wrong. Works a bit better. Doesn't really matter. My sister is a quantum physicist. It's all probability and I don't understand it, but I don't need to. And most people for using Python, hey, you do this with this, is a very clear way of getting across what a script is trying to do for the purposes of them understanding. And then, later on, you can introduce everything as objects, and it all pulls together with the suddenly, hey, you do this with this. When they're writing their own things, writing their own objects, it all harkens back to the methods that you've already introduced, and it's all behaving in the same way. So that, I've found, is a very effective strategy for rapidly getting people to a point where they can read Python that they find, understand what it's doing, and modify it themselves. That's